Is your 2023-2025 Nissan Rogue key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common culprit. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your remote working like new. The Nissan Rogue key fob for 2023-2025 models uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. While some markets might use a CR2025 battery, the CR2032 is the standard for these models. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to gently pry open the key fob. These CR2032 batteries are widely available at auto parts stores, online retailers like Amazon, and even some drugstores for around $1 to $3 each. First, locate the small seam on the side of your key fob. This is usually found near the key ring attachment, where the two halves of the fob meet. Next, carefully insert a flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam you located. Gently twist to pry the fob open, working your way around the edges. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic casing. With gentle prying, the key fob should separate into two halves. You'll now see the circuit board and battery inside. Handle the halves carefully to avoid damaging the electronics. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery clearly positioned inside the key fob. Note the battery's orientation. The positive side should be facing up, marked with a plus symbol and CR2032 text. Use your fingertip or a small screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct orientation with positive side up. The battery should snap easily into place with a secure fit. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Ensure the casing is securely closed. Test the fob's functions: lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic button. The LED on the fob should flash when a button is pressed. If your key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, first double-check the battery orientation. Make sure the positive side is facing up, as shown in this illustration. Second, ensure you're using a fresh, high-quality battery. The Nissan Rogue key fob requires a 3-volt CR2032 or CR2025 lithium coin battery. Always use a new one with sufficient charge. If problems persist after checking the battery, your key fob may need reprogramming. Consult your Nissan Rogue owner's manual for reprogramming instructions or contact your local Nissan dealership. For Nissan Rogue smart key variants that offer proximity unlocking, reprogramming is particularly important to restore connectivity with your vehicle's systems. To extend battery life, avoid excessive use of remote start, especially in extreme temperatures. Frequent remote start can reduce battery life to 6 to 12 months instead of the usual 1 to 2 years. Protect your key fob from moisture to prevent premature failure. If you live in a humid area, consider sealing the case with a small amount of silicone. Dispose of the old lithium battery properly. Many stores that sell batteries also offer recycling programs. Looking ahead, key fob technology is evolving. While DIY battery replacements remain common for 2023-2025 models, future models may incorporate rechargeable or energy harvesting technologies. Consider eco-friendly battery options when available to reduce e-waste.